Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and get Call of Duty Warzone on your PlayStation 4 as well as Xbox. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you already own Call of Duty Modern Warfare, on the home menu here, you can see that Warzone is now activated. And when we go to it, we can go ahead and start playing. This should have been downloaded on your PlayStation 4 or Xbox with the most recent update. But if you do not have Call of Duty Modern Warfare on your PlayStation 4, you can actually play Call of Duty Warzone for free. It's a standalone title in the PlayStation 4 Store. You will not need to pay for this. It's 100% free, and you do not need PlayStation Plus. On Xbox, you will need Xbox Live to play a free-to-play game, but on PlayStation, there is still policies in place where you do not need PlayStation Plus, just like you would on Fortnite or Apex Legends. So if you do not have PlayStation Plus, you are in luck. Let's go to the PlayStation 4 Store right now and select this. And if you're on Xbox, go ahead and go to the store and then go to the search menu right here. Let's just type in Warzone right now, and it should pop up on top. We will not need to type in Modern Warfare at all. Type in Warzone, and you will see Call of Duty Warzone pop up right here. Go ahead and select this application, and you will be able to download it right where it says Start for Me. And you can go ahead and buy the full game of Call of Duty Modern Warfare from here. But just go ahead and get Call of Duty Warzone, download it right here, and press start, and it will launch just like it would in Call of Duty Modern Warfare, but you will just have access to Warzone. And so far, Call of Duty Warzone has been phenomenal. I've been loving it, and I think you guys will too. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more Call of Duty Warzone videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.